Hello everyone, and in this video I'm just going to cover mathematics pre-algebra lesson, that is subtraction of polynomials. How do you subtract polynomials? In this video I'm going to talk totally about this. So I'm going to start with, if you want to subtract polynomials, if you are given two polynomials, right, one polynomial here and the other is here, so in order to subtract the polynomials, you should change the signs of the second polynomial. If it's positive, you should make it negative. If it's negative, to the positive, okay? So you can understand just by doing an example. Let me just share with you example how to subtract polynomials. Pretend we're having a polynomial 5p squared minus 4p minus here. This shows that this is the subtraction of the polynomials, okay? 3p squared plus 3p. So how do you subtract these polynomials? The first thing you should do is to write down the first polynomial as it is. So 5p squared minus 4p, then multiply this symbol into all the numbers inside of the parentheses, okay? So positive into negative becomes negative. 3p squared. Negative into positive becomes negative 3p. Look at here. It was positive, it became negative. It was positive, it became negative, okay? So now, adding and subtracting the like terms. So this is the like term of this. So 5p squared minus 3p squared becomes 2p squared. And minus 4p minus 3p gonna give us minus 7p. So this becomes our final answer to the given problem. So I hope you understand how to subtract polynomials, okay? How to work with the subtraction of the polynomials. So I'm gonna do another example for you. Let me just erase the board so that we don't have much space to kind of write all the examples. So let's look at the next example. That is, our first polynomial is 3x minus 4x squared plus 2x minus 3x squared plus 6x plus 8x. Okay, write the first polynomials as it is. 3x minus 4x squared plus 2x. Then positive into negative becomes negative 3x squared, negative 6x, negative 8x. Okay, so I hope you understand. This equals 3x and minus 6x minus 8x. Minus 6x and minus 8x becomes minus 14x, and plus 3x is going to give us minus 11x. Minus 11x. Then search for the x squared. This is, sorry, we're having 2x as well, plus 2x. So for x squared, we're having the minus 4x minus 7 minus 3x squared become kind of give us minus 7x squared. Now we can simplify it more, like minus 11x plus 2x is going to give us minus 9x minus 7x squared. We can also write this as minus 7x squared minus 9x. This is going to represent the final answer to the given problem. So I hope, guys, you understand how to work with the subtraction of the polynomials. So I'm gonna see you in my next coming lecture. Will be about the division of the polynomials, how to work with the division. So I hope till this place you understand. If you have any question, put it in the comment section below. I will be there to answer to your problem as soon as I can. So I'm gonna see you in my next coming video. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.